Welcome to this installation presentation by Jaeger, your private label partner. In this video, we will explain how to install our perimeter joint sealing system to seal the joint between a flange-free shower base or bathtub and the adjacent walls. Our sealing system promotes a menu of three key components: a strip membrane, a foam backer rod, and an approved silicone sealant. A range of installation accessories are also available. Flange-free shower bases and bathtubs are generally installed outside the adjacent shower wall face. Our sealing system can be installed without a foam backer rod between the receptor and shower wall, but we recommend that a foam backer rod is installed where the joint width permits. The first step in the installation process is to mark out the strip position on the walls to ensure the strip will be aligned correctly with the receptor rim. Locate the receptor temporarily in position. Using the strip alignment guide or a measuring tape, mark the walls at 3 inches and at 5/8 of an inch above the receptor rim. Mark the walls where the receptor ends. Remove the receptor and draw horizontal lines through the upper and lower wall marks. Draw vertical lines 1/4 of an inch outside the receptor end marks. Measure and cut the strip to the required length. These wall lines define the position of the strip upper edge on the wall and the position of the adhesive bed that will bond the strip to the wall. For more awkward 3-wall shower enclosures, installers can choose an alternative method of marking out the strip and adhesive bed position on the walls without having to temporarily install the receptor. To calculate the position of the strip upper edge on the wall, simply add 3 inches onto the height the receptor rim will be above the floor after installation. Using the strip alignment guide, a measuring tape, or cardboard template, apply wall marks at 2 3/8 of an inch below the upper line to identify the position of the adhesive bed lower boundary. Draw horizontal wall lines through these wall marks. If using silicone sealant as the strip adhesive, as we are in this installation, apply painter's tape outside the wall lines. The strip can also be bonded to the wall using approved MS polymer adhesive sealants, thin-set mortars, and liquid-applied waterproofing compounds without the need for painter's tape on the wall. Apply a zigzag line of adhesive sealant between the wall lines on the first wall and a further 9-inch portion of the second wall. Using the serrated edge of the spatula, spread a thin bed of adhesive between the wall lines. With the lower red-tinged strip portion facing the installer, align the strip upper edge to the upper wall line and touch-engage the strip with the adhesive bed on both walls. Using the straight edge of the spatula, press bond the strip firmly against each wall, ensuring the strip extends fully into the corner. Repeat this strip bonding process on the remaining walls. Remove the painter's tape off the wall if applied. Before the next stage of the installation commences, the receptor surfaces to which the backer rod and silicone will be bonded must be prepared. Use alcohol wipes or an approved cleaning agent to clean the receptor surfaces to ensure good adhesion with sealing materials. With the backer rod alignment guide resting on the rim overhanging the receptor sidewall, progressively remove the adhesive release liner off the backer rod and bond it to the sidewall, keeping the top side of the backer rod lightly engaged with the underside of the alignment guide. Apply painter's tape over the flat rim surfaces adjacent to the joints being sealed to protect against sealant smears while sealing the joint. Install the receptor permanently into its final position, ensuring it rests solidly on the floor and the foam backer rod engages the strip bonded to the shower walls. Check the receptor waste system for leaks. Three-wall shower enclosures are not always built square or built to a width that can accommodate the installation of sealing material between the receptor sidewalls and the shower walls. If the shower wall enclosure width will not accommodate the receptor with backer rod attached, bond backer rod onto the receptor sidewall facing the middle shower wall. And install the receptor, keeping it centered between the opposing shower walls. Insert the backer rod down at least 1/4 of an inch into the joint between the receptor and opposing shower walls. A backer rod wheel can be used with a sealant nozzle to roll press the backer rod down into the joint. Alternatively, rather than bonding the backer rod onto the middle sidewall before installation of the receptor, installers can opt to insert the backer rod into all 3 joints between the receptor and shower walls after installation of the receptor. Installers also have the option to install the strip membrane and backer rod retrospectively into the joint after installation of the shower base or bathtub. If planning a retro installation in advance of building the shower enclosure, a perimeter joint width of 1/4 of an inch around the receptor is ideal. The first step in retro installations is to identify the position of the strip upper edge and adhesive bed on the wall in the same manner to that previously explained. If using a silicone adhesive, apply painter's tape just outside the upper and end wall lines. Measure and cut the strip to the required length. After cleaning the receptor sidewalls with alcohol wipes or an approved cleaning agent, lower the strip down into the joint and tape it back over the receptor rim. Progressively apply an adhesive bed between the wall lines and bond the strip to the walls in the manner previously explained. Remove the painter's tape off the wall if applied. Insert the backer rod down at least 1/4 of an inch into the joint between the receptor and shower walls. Remember, where joint widths will not accommodate the insertion of a backer rod, ensure that the silicone applied into the joint forms a bond of at least 1/4 of an inch deep with both the receptor sidewall and adjacent strip face. Apply silicone into the joint formed between the strip and the receptor sidewall. Rub up the silicone so its upper surface falls from the strip side to the receptor rim side. Remove the painter's tape off the receptor rim. The installation is now complete. Our sealing system is available under private label in short roll installation kits and in longer, more cost-effective trade roll formats. We hope this presentation has been of interest, and we thank you for your time viewing it.